Should I do it or no? Should he do it or no? And I think he's got up there now. He's thinking about it. He's rethinking his decision. I think my man's rethinking his decision, huh? I think he's like, I don't really know why I came up here. Come on, my man. You gotta do it, bro. You're there now. Let's go. Yeah, he rethinking that thing. What's my man gonna do here? Is he gonna do it or no? He's been there for a minute now. Bro. Today, bro. I think he said no. I think he said no, man. Question is, should I do it? All those people are doing it. Should I? I don't think I'm gonna do it. I think I'm gonna do it, man. Okay, she's gonna do it. You heard her, she's gonna make the decision. Let's go. Will she do it or no? Will she? Oh, we got 3 of them up there now. Oh, she's shaking, man. She said nope. She looked down and she said nope, I'm not gonna do it. So now we got 2 of them said no. What about this young lady? She's like a daredevil, looks like. Oh, she's ready. She's like a diver in the Olympics or something. She gone. She gonna make she's taking the walk of shame back off the ledge. Now he's seen the young lady do it. What she's gonna do? Ooh, he's trying. He's bending his knee. He's trying. They told him he got it. You got it, man. You got it, bro. Come on. Don't think about it. Just do it. It's been 3 minutes, man. And here he goes. Here he goes. Yeah, nope. He's bouncing, but boy. 2. I think he's going to take the walk of shame. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Go for it, man. It's on, bro. Go, man. Come on, you got a cheering squad over here. I'm with you, man. Come on. Come on. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. How much more long he got? Oh, he ain't coming, man. He ain't going, man. Now she's going. Maybe she's going to do it. Here, he backed out again. My man said, nah. He said, nah, I ain't going to do it. You get by, man? Can you get past?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm not gonna mess up your video.
Oh, you're fine. That's a part of the video right there. Makes it interesting. Do we do it or no? There's a little cliff right there. See, there's a little edge right there now. Boy, you got to get out there. You got to have some push. She did it. Okay. 5 minutes in, I think that did it for him right there. She did it for him. He's gone. Nah, that ain't do it either. That didn't do it either. Come on, my man. The man himself. Okay, he didn't have enough courage that time either. Step back a little bit. All right, my man here gonna do it. I know he gonna do it. There's no doubt about it. Got his GoPro with him. Waterproof GoPro.
Yeah, it really has to be tough to go.
You're right.
What's in the danger?
You gotta do it, man. You gotta do it. Good, bro.
And then the water slide.
Wait, so put in a shot.
No, you're fine.
Can you cough?
No, you're good. You're fine. You're fine. It makes my shot better. See, that makes it better right there. It's a better shot. That makes for a good shot. He did it. He did it. He did it. Will this guy jump? Will this guy jump? Pressure is on. The pressure is on. His chest is beating extremely fast. He's holding his hands on his hips in total stress. His heart's racing. Nerves are racking. He's looking for any excuse. He's chewing gum, talking to people, delaying the jump. Now he's waiting on his friend. Will he jump? Is the question. Did he finally jump? Knees are bent. Step took an inch forward. Right foot came an inch back, 30. He's bending the knees, he's rocking. He's ready. Cheer squad is on. His cheering squad has got him. They count down. That's it. You had it. Oh, man. He had it. He's going. He's going to go, y'all. He's going. We're 10 minutes into this thing. It's been 10 minutes, man. Will he jump? Oh, man. He goes out again. He backs out again. Will he jump? She gets up there, no hesitation, strikes a pose, and she goes for it. Now look at it. He says, man, I got to do it. The ladies are doing, that's a good, He's going for it. He's going for it, yeah. Oh, he barked. He's going for it. He's motivating himself. He's pumping himself up. Oh, he's going. Here he goes. Here he goes. He's going to do it, y'all. We're 11 minutes into this thing, man. Will this guy jump? Will he jump? Come on. Will he jump? Man, now he's acting like mosquitoes are biting him. Oh, he's motivating himself like a horse. He's hitting the horse like a racehorse. He's hitting it with a whip. Boom, let's go. He's a jockey. Now he's psyching himself up like a football. Oh, he's ready. He's ready, man. He's so ready. Will he jump? We're 12 minutes into this thing, man. 12 minutes into it, my man. Ah, the countdown gets him every time. There he goes. I see it in him. He's going. 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 He's in the relaxed mode now. He psyched himself out of his back. He psyched himself out. Here he goes. He's ready. He says he's ready. We're almost 13 minutes into this thing, man. And 13 minutes. Man, my hand is starting to hurt. Sun's got to go down. Will he jump? Nah, he backed out again, y'all. He said nope. Still said no. Man will not do it. It's over for him, y'all. Mosquitoes are starting to bite. He gone. Hold his nose. He did the little child jump. Held his nose. The men are scared, man. The women are just jumping. Here you go. He got to do it now. All of his friends have jumped. He saw his other friend was nervous. First friend was nervous. The second guy was nervous. He just got to do it. Nope. Backing out again. Just won't do it. Heart won't let him do it. So, 15 minutes into it, and the guy, will he jump? The question is, will he jump? Will he jump? We're 15 minutes into this thing. And this guy has yet to jump, y'all. 15 minutes in, my man has yet to jump. The ladies get up there, they jump with no problem, no hesitation. The men get up there, they hesitate. But two of them eventually jump off. And the guy who started it all 15 minutes ago is still there. Even the chickens have jumped in, man. She was there earlier and she backed out. She was the only lady that backed out. She's back up there though. I think if she go, he'll go. The lady in the pink has already went one time. She backed out again. She can't do it. So now the only thing's left is my man. The lady in pink has already went. That didn't help him at all. So, hey, we're 15 minutes into this thing. We're 17 minutes into this delay. Hey, tell your man he's been waiting 18 minutes up there. 18 minutes, bro. 18 minutes, bro.
It has been 18 minutes. It has been 18 minutes. Waiting. He's waiting.
You're gonna try now.
You're gonna actually go.
That was a little pressure I put on him right there. Gonna give him to 20 minutes, y'all. At 20 minutes if he hadn't jumped. Watch her get up there and go. No issues at all. 19 minutes she stood up. 19:06 she stood up. Nine seconds later she was off. It's 19:28. He stood up. He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. Yay! He did it. My man. He did it, y'all. Now, what if I didn't videotape the guy? What if I missed it? So, that concludes my... Well, now you know. He did it. Now we're gonna ease our way back